AI is also automating jobs in various industries. This raises concerns about job displacement and the need for workforce retraining. We must consider the societal impact of AI and ensure that its benefits are shared equitably. These real-world examples highlight the complex ethical challenges posed by AI. It is essential to have open and honest conversations about these issues to ensure that AI is used responsibly. Section 4. When AI goes wrong, consequences and concerns. When AI systems are not developed and used responsibly, there can be serious consequences. For example, biased AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. This can have a devastating impact on marginalized communities. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. For instance, AI could be used to create deepfakes, which are realistic but fabricated videos that can be used to spread misinformation or harm reputations. The lack of transparency and accountability in some AI systems is also a major concern. When users do not understand how AI decisions are being made, it can be difficult to challenge unfair or biased outcomes. The rapid pace of AI development adds urgency to these concerns. It is crucial that we develop ethical guidelines and regulations that can keep up with this evolving technology. Section 5. Finding the right path. Guidelines, regulations, and responsibility. Navigating the ethical challenges of AI requires a multifaceted approach. Governments, industry leaders, and researchers must work together to develop ethical guidelines and regulations for AI development and use. These guidelines should promote transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems. They should also address issues such as data privacy, bias, and the potential for misuse. Education and awareness are also crucial. Engineers, policymakers, and the public need to be informed about the ethical implications of AI. This will empower them to make responsible decisions about the development and use of this powerful technology. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole. This requires a commitment to ethical principles and a willingness to engage in open and honest dialogue about the challenges and opportunities presented by AI.